Hey, Story Explorers, guess what time it is? That's right, it's book reading time! Let's read a book!
Hey guys, I'm Riley Celzo, and I'm going to be reading my book, The New Bird, written by me and illustrated by Michael K. Foster. This book was mainly written for my brother with autism. It makes him different around others, like Nick. He may get stares or laughed by others, but that will never affect him. He's always been himself, and I love him so much for that. I'm so very lucky to have him as a brother. It was Nick's first day at his new school, Tweet Academy. He was very excited to meet the other birds and learn new things. Nick took a step into the classroom and immediately got strange looks from his classmates. They all looked different, all different colors, shapes, and sizes. And they all had wings. Nick was the only bird who couldn't fly. Nick didn't want to be different. He wanted to be cool like everyone else. So after school, he decided to change who he was. He made himself wings. Obviously, his wings did not work and he got made fun of. Then it was time for recess. Nick thought that's how he can make his friends. But of course, they all played air tag and he couldn't play. After recess was lunch. Nick tried to go sit with his classmates, but they told him to sit by himself. Nick had no appetite to eat. He was too sad. He found a chair in the corner and just sat there. Nick told his mom what was going on, and she told him to show everyone all the cool things he can do and how awesome a bird like him can be, even without wings. She told him not to change who he is for anyone and to just be himself. It doesn't matter if he is different. All kinds of things are truly amazing in their own ways. Everyone is different. So the next day he did exactly that. He told all the birds some of the coolest things about him and his family. Nick told his classmates about how ostriches are one of the fastest animals, how they're the largest bird, and more. The other birds realized that Nick really is pretty cool. At recess, the birds played hide and seek, and Nick was able to play. Everyone had lots of fun. And at lunch, Nick was invited to sit with all of his other classmates. They all had a great time getting to know him better. Because Nick spoke up, he got to meet some of his best friends. Never be afraid to let people know how cool you really are. The end.